Have you ever looked at an old photograph of your parents or grandparents and wondered, how did they stay together for all those decades? In an era without the internet, without dating apps, and without a block button at the tip of their fingers, how did those hearts weather the storms of life? Today, we live in the age of liquid relationships. We swap partners as easily as we upgrade our smartphones. But psychology has a different, more startling perspective. Research suggests that the generation of the 70s and 80s possessed an emotional resilience that we lack today. In this video on Develop Me, we will dive deep into human psychology to reveal the 5 psychological secrets that made past relationships unbreakable and how you can use these secrets to save your relationship today. Secret number 1, the power of delayed gratification. In the 70s, communication required effort. You had to wait days for a letter to arrive, or stand in line at a public phone booth just to hear a loved one's voice for 2 minutes. In psychology, this is called delayed gratification. When we wait for something, the brain releases dopamine slowly and sustainably, creating a very high perceived value for the other person. Today, instant gratification has killed that spark. We are too available, to the point where we've become undervalued. Past relationships were strong because longing was their constant fuel. Strategic absence and waiting are what build appreciation. Secret number 2, the repair versus replace mentality. We live in a disposable culture. If something breaks, we buy a new one. Unfortunately, we've transferred this mindset to our emotions. In the past, the principle was, if it's broken, you fix it. Psychologically, confrontation and resolving issues build what we call emotional safety. When your partner sees that you are willing to fight for the relationship despite the flaws, it creates a bond of trust deeper than love itself. The 70s generation didn't have infinite choices on dating apps, so they had to make what they had work. Today, the illusion of choice makes us flee at the first sign of trouble, searching for a better version that only exists in our imagination.
Secret number 3, the sacred circle of privacy. In the past, the secrets of a relationship stayed within the walls of the home. There were no Instagram stories to document every dinner, and no public posts to vent after an argument. Social psychology tells us that a third party, even a virtual audience, corrupts the chemistry of a relationship. When we display our details to the public, we are seeking external validation instead of internal fulfillment. The 70s generation had true intimacy because they lived the moment for themselves, not for a camera lens. Privacy is what protects love from envy and from the lethal comparisons that destroy psychological satisfaction. Secret number 4, embracing the mundane. Love in movies is all about adventures and drama. But real-world love is the ability to endure boredom together. The 70s generation didn't have TikTok to fill every second of silence. They sat, they talked, or they simply existed in silence together. Psychology proves that the ability to share a comfortable silence is the highest stage of psychological trust. Modern relationships fail because we've become excitement addicts. If there is no drama, we feel the love is over. In reality, true love begins when the excitement ends and the quiet stability starts. Developing yourself in relationships, Develop Me, isn't about learning tricks, it's about returning to those authentic values that make you a real human being. Don't fear the wait, don't run from the repair, and sanctify your privacy. Remember, here at Develop Me, we don't look for a perfect relationship, we look for a real one that stands the test of time. If you enjoyed this psychological analysis, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And tell me in the comments, what do you miss most about relationships from a simpler time?